Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Philips Hue bridge to a new account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Philips Hue bridge to a new account, ensure that you have both the current and new account credentials ready. Open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in to your current account using the existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings by tapping on the gear icon. In the Settings menu, find the option labeled My Account. Choose the Delete Account option to remove the existing account from the system. Confirm the deletion by following any prompts that appear on the screen. Now, with the old account deleted, return to the home screen of the app. On the home screen, tap on Setup to start the process for creating a new account. Follow the prompts to create your new Philips Hue account, entering the necessary information. Once the new account setup is complete, log in with your new credentials. After logging in, tap on the bridge option to connect your Philips Hue bridge. The app may prompt you to press the button on your Hue bridge. Press the button on the bridge when instructed. The app will then search for your bridge and connect to it. Once connected, you can set up your lights and additional features as desired. Verify that all your lights and settings are functioning correctly under the new account. Congratulations! Your Philips Hue bridge has now been successfully transferred to your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.